Hi, my name is Daniel, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Garden Freedom Series micro course before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Garden Freedom Series micro course is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this program is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the Garden Freedom Series micro course, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The Garden Freedom Series micro course is a course that aims at helping you take your gardening to the next level. If you are interested in gardening but have no idea where to start or even how you should go about it, this is the course for you. Gardening can be an enjoyable activity to engage in during your free time. You can even take it on as a permanent job because people love having natural foods planted and harvested with love. The Garden Freedom Series micro course is what you need today, then. It has everything you need to know about gardening and much more. You will learn how you can make your garden give you a bounty harvest season after season, how to ensure that what you are getting matches your input or even more, and so much more. Do not worry if it is your first time trying out gardening. All the questions you might have answered throughout the course and the steps are straightforward, meaning you will not be lost on the way. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the Garden Freedom Series micro course, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the Garden Freedom Series micro course for 2 months, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the Garden Freedom Series micro course, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the Garden Freedom Series micro course helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.